In this video, we shall work with some Excel functions. Like I said in one of the previous video, that we have more than 400 functions in Microsoft Excel. Let me unhide this column. I'll go to cell. I want to unhide. You can see that we have F followed by L. So some columns are hidden. I need to unhide them. I'll just choose unhide columns, and you can see, so I kept something there which I don't want you to see before. Now I've been able to open it. So let's go. In one of the previous video, I've been able to show you how you can get today's date. So just by typing equals now, you press enter, and you have today's date with time. If it is today, you have the date. I'll press enter, only date is showing. So we also have a function called proper, which works for text. Proper means you want that text to be first capital, other small. Let me change this one a bit. Let me make some parts to be capital, and let's see how it looks by the time we use the function on it. Let me make some parts here also capital, like this, and also this one as capital. So with this, for the proper, I'll press equals proper, meaning that I'm telling Excel that it should make sure that the first is capital while other small. That's proper. Can you see that? Despite we have view in capital, it has been corrected to be small. So I can drag down and others will be corrected as well. We also have upper. If I use equals upper function, it means I want everything to be in uppercase, all in capital. So you can now see that we have Abdullah all in capital. If I drag down, you can see other names are also in capital. We also have lower, equals, lower. I click on the text, you see that everything will be in lowercase. So everything is in lowercase. If you drag it down, you have the same thing there. Also, concatenate is used to match two or more text together. We use concatenate to match two or more text together. For instance, let's say I want to generate an email with the name Abdullah and Cynthia. I'll use equals concatenate is saying text1, that is the function argument. Text1, I want to use the small letter, the small case Abdullah. Dot Abdullah dot. So of reference, okay, let me type to avoid a kind of so let me type. So anytime I type a text, I put it in a quotation. You can see comma, dot. So the dot will also be in a comma. My first name is Abdullah, my last name is Falade. Abdullah dot Falade, comma, also at. I'll put that also in a quotation, comma, gmail.com. I'll close it and I'll press enter. You can see that I've been able to create an email for myself, abdullah.falade@gmail.com. That's all. So you can also do the same for others. More you have the sum function, which you can use to add numbers together. double click twice, you can add all this number together to have the sum. It means the total sum is 22,643,101. 0 kobo. What if I want to add based on a particular condition? Equals sum if. The first thing there is range. I want to add, where will I get the kind of caliber of people I want to add their salary. So let's say, for instance, now I want to know the salary of people that are in Lagos. What is the salary of people that are in Lagos? So where will I find people in Lagos? It is on that column. So people in Lagos is under the column location. So what will I do? I have to highlight on that, comma. The next thing there is criteria. Who am I looking for? I'm looking for people in Lagos. I need to be very careful and type it correctly the way it is, comma. What is the sum range? You can see the sum range means the addition of the values. So that is the salary column. Enter. So you can see we have the value as it is here. So let me format the figure. Use number 1000 separator. Boom, I have it. 5,340,366. Just by simple filter, you can be able to get this figure as well. Just type Lagos, click on it. Now use filter by selected. So you filter by selected, and you can see the value, the total sum value, 5,340,366, which is the same thing as what you get when you use the sum if. Can you see that? So that's how it works. That's another way to do sort and filter. Okay, this is how you can make use of some functions and interpret the syntax, the function argument in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.